Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'll be teaching you about something special because this is basically hedging, which I'm about to tell you. I've hit my first hedging, hedged trade in my 5 figures amount, right? So, yep, the returns were somewhere around 14 percentage, and the capital deployed was somewhere around 75,000. So basically, hedging is a futures trade. So if you're wondering that, how was I able to do a futures trade in 75,000, it is basically actually much cheaper than that because per lot it will cost you only around 35 to 40,000 in here, right? So it depends upon the strike prices of options which you choose. So let's get started with how do you basically start hedging and how do you basically select your options and how can you analyze. I'll teach you every single thing. So basically hedging, I was introduced to it by one of my community members. His name is Shubham. His way of hedging is kind of different, so I kind of developed my own way, and I use a higher time frame, so I can get a bigger target or bigger 200 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty around 500 points. So that way, it is less stressful. So what are the benefits of hedging, right? Let's get back with that and you will finally understand how to hedge. First thing is that if you want to go long in futures in here, you found out that there's a breakout and you can get your targets up till here. But one lot of Nifty futures is costing you somewhere around 1.2 lakhs and you need to keep around extra margin for that. So rather than doing that, what you can do is buy the put side at first at whatever the at the money strike price is. You buy that put. The expiry should not be of the current week. Okay, the expiry should either be of the next week, otherwise the month end expiry, so that you can definitely go ahead and do a hedge long trade, right? So even if your stop loss hits, okay, if your future stop loss is hitting at 100 points, you will lose entire 5,000 because 50 into 50 into 100 rupees in here, so that will be a 5,000 rupees stop loss in naked future trading. But if you have, as you have hedged in calls put side, right, so what you're going to do is you are going to get a profit on the put side. So how to long in hedge in Nifty basically or Bank Nifty? Buy at the money put at first and buy the future later. Okay, so after doing that, if your stop loss hits, you'll not lose around 5,000, you'll lose somewhere around 3,000 maximum. Okay, 2,000 is covered up by your put side option, right? And the margin required per lot is around 35 to 40,000. Similarly, what I did was I took a short trade. Okay, to explain you that, this is a 13 December message which I posted in my Telegram channel. If you're not in that channel, you can definitely join from the description box below. The link is provided over there. So at 13 December, I posted on around 12:50 that this is a good pattern in Nifty 50 and there are good support lines for first support, second support and third support. So if this breaks down with a good momentum, we can get a good short trade in Nifty. And similarly, Bank Nifty was also behaving the same way. So you can see and compare the patterns. Both the patterns are same, and this is the time when I went short in Nifty. As you can see, I bought the call options first, which is at the money strike price, which is 17,400 is what I bought, and I shorted Nifty. My stop loss was not more than around 70 points in here above this candle, and my risk to reward was around 1:2 as my targets were somewhere around 150 points. So that's how I got my targets, which is in 5 figures in a hedge to trade, right? That is how basically I shorted Nifty. So I hope you understood that how to take a short side hedge trade, which is basically first buy the call side option, which will give you a cover. If I hit my stop loss, rather than hitting entire 70 points, I will lose somewhere around only 40 points because rest 30 to 25 points will be covered by my call side, right? And the margin required is also very less. So this is also very useful for experienced people and a big capital, who has a big capital, because you can use your capital effectively, right? Because in 1 lakh you are getting one lot of Nifty, but in 1 lakh you can get 2 lots of Nifty equivalent to one lot only, but you can manage your other capital as well, rather than taking your entire capital in just Nifty alone. If you're having 1 lakh, you can trade the rest 60,000 to 50,000 in stocks, and you can trade the rest of the amount in this Nifty or Bank Nifty, right? Similarly, the Bank Nifty is the same. You, whatever the analysis is there, you buy the call side if you want to short, and then short the future, right? So supposedly, if I take this example, if you want to buy near the support, you buy the put side first, that if it reverses and hits your stop loss, your puts will give you profit, and your stop loss will also hit your Bank Nifty future, right? Similarly, if you want to go short in Bank Nifty, you will buy the call side, if just in case if it hits your stop loss, your losses would be covered by your call side, half of the losses. And if you are making good profit, as the further the trade goes according to you, the more profits which you are going to get in the future side. And if the target is big, around 20 to 30 percentage profits will only be lost in the option, right? And rest all will be your good profits. So this is a less stressful way of trading Nifty and Bank Nifty. Obviously I'm using a bit higher time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame, and the 1 hour time frame I also look at 15 minutes sometimes, right? So you can try this definitely out, and definitely make money out of it. Just make sure that you're trading good patterns, and your if you want any reference, you already got my Telegram channel link in the description below. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you understood. Do use this video if you basically want to hedge it and understand the concept. And that will be all. Just subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and do let me know down in the comment section below if you need anything else to learn. And that will be all for it now. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading. Bye bye.